Hello guys. If you're the one person that watched the Plants vs Zombies day mode that I recorded and posted, I'm gonna do a night mode. As you one dude, all you know, um, I finished day mode. It took 58 minutes and 33 seconds, I think. But now I can access the night mode. Alright, so evening. What evening, old account gay? That is not my name. Those zombies won't. Those zombie chats won't let up, will they? Yeah. The only time you're spitting facts is right now. You will notice that fighting zombies at night is different than the day because they don't burn in the day because they are allergic to sun. When they're exposed to sun, they will burn. But in the night, they're not burning. Why am I saying Minecraft? This is Plants vs Zombies. For one, you won't get any sun falling from the sky. Ah, no. You can still get sun from sunflowers though. How can I do that? And lucky for you, you got yourself some popshrooms. What is a popshroom? Plant as many of those as you can and you will be at A-O good. What? What? What did Tracy Dave say? Okay, Grandpa. Grandpa with no pants. Grandpa with no pants. Okay. K-pop show? No, sunflower first. Potato mine? I know. Definitely no mine when anything gets when anything goes wrong. Cherry bomb? If I save enough. Walnut and pea shooter. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I have a pop shroom now. I wonder what that does. La 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 la. Keep right there. Why is it not shooting? Shoot! Just shoot! It's literally right there. It's literally right there. Oh, thank you, sunflower. No, don't tell me that's a short range. Don't tell me that's a short range. Don't tell me this is it's a short range. It's a short range. It's kind of impressive it it killed the zombie when it's literally short range. So impressive. I'm gonna put 2 pop shrooms when there's a zombie coming up. For now, I'm just gonna grind some sun until I get a cherry bomb. Because Grandpa here doesn't have pants, and I think has a new Grandpa has an ability, so I'm gonna save up for more. Save up for cherry bomb. I am thinking to put another lane of some options, but I don't know. I have a pea shooter though, but I don't want to use that. I want to put it the mushroom way. Why am I inventing new ways every video? Why am I like last video I invented the pyramid way and the symmetrical way. Now it's the mushroom way. Na 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 na. Oh no, Grandpa here. Grandpa is here. Yeah, see, but I'm not gonna use that cherry bomb that early though. I'm gonna still save up. Kill him. Oh no, Grandpa is mad. Grandpa is mad. Grandpa is mad. Oh my god, another Grandpa. That's my second. That's my second Grandpa. A grand. No. The great Grandpa. My great grandpa. When another grandpa comes in, I'm gonna say great grandpa. If there's a grandma, if there's a grandma, then what the hell? Like what the hell? Why is there a grandma though? Anyways, anyway, anyways is not a word, but anyway, let's fight these zombies. I don't have any time to put another row. Great grandpa. Holy, the grandpa of my grandpa. Oh my gosh, the grandpa of my grandpa. I wonder why the grandpa, my grandpa, didn't die yet. Kill him. What? I'll remove that because I'm gonna remove the damaged one because if another grandpa comes in, that's gonna be an ancestor. Yo, what the heck? Cherry bomb. Oh my gosh, an ancestor. An ancestor. Ancestor. Not ancestor. How can I say that? How can I say that word? Ancestor. No. Ancestor. Yeah, ancestor. Yo, quick. No, no, not that. No. I just wasted. Yes. A yellow mushroom. That's gotta be a yellow. That's gotta be a yellow pop shroom. Yellow pop shroom. Yeah. Yellow pop shroom. Save up money to purchase school shop. What shop? Give small sun at first and normal sun later. So that's basically sunflower, but it needs to evolve. It needs adoption. Uh-oh. The stupid guy with the bucket on his head. Oh no. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use sunshroom, hopshroom. I'm not gonna use sunflower because I already have a sun producer plant. Walnut, cherry bomb, tin. Yeah, I don't want jumper, yeah. That is a plant. Oh, it's small. It's small. And that is can I thought plants were big. No, that's not plants because it's fungi. It's fungi. And fungi is not a plant. Fungi is not a plant. It belongs to the fungi kingdom. But at least they put in more plants than the night mode. Can my brightness not go down? Cannot. Oh my gosh, another zombie. Um, another mushroom. Just two mushrooms is okay, but two one mushroom is okay, but not enough to kill a zombie. But two mushrooms is basically a pea. A pea. Yeah, a pea. I almost put I almost put a sunscreen. Oh, it's my son. Why didn't I question that earlier? More ways to play and lock. Find them on the main menu. Alright. Why didn't I question earlier that the sun was small? Then I thought it was only 25 sun. 15 sun. I just know it. I just realized the one on the middle and the one closer to the top is big now. They give normal sun. No, no, kill, kill, come on. Thank God. Why did I not? Why didn't I put a pea shooter? Never mind. Okay, okay, okay. A walnut, yes, walnut, walnut. Oh no, chomper. Chomper has a fast recharge, but he needs to chew. It's a slow eater like me. I just realized the chomper is basically the only good one here right here. And sunstone. The chomper and sunflower is the only good one here. Because the chomper one shots everything and sunshroom needs time to adapt. No, evolve, yeah, evolve to get to to get old. They need to eat so they will level up. Can you guys finish chewing? There's a cone head on your front. Okay. Can you guys finish chewing? Oh my gosh. Yum 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 yum. Yum. The one at the chopper at the bottom. Look to your right. What? Look to your front. There's a cone head. Oh, I forgot they don't have, They don't have they don't have eyes. So they cannot see. They can just sense. Sense. Touch. Yeah, touch. Yeah. The chompers are slow to eat but finish chewing at the right time. That's a that's a good. I want to put I want to put it like cherry bomb watermelon. You can't plant on grapes. And that's a bomb. It's gonna that two zombies that's gonna be it's gonna be one shot by the gonna be one shot it. Come on, eat. Oh, that's not gonna work. Tacopa, Tacopana, the hardest part where the banner, feel Tacopa. Uh-oh, a stupid guy with the bucket on his head. Gonna put another jumper. Another ring of jumpers. Just for backup. The one at the back, the ones at the back are now backup. The backup. Oh no, Grandpa. Grandpa's not gonna do anything. Grandpa's not gonna do anything. Grandpa's just gonna get eaten. Eat, eat. Come on, eat, Mom. Uh-oh, the stupid guy with the bucket on his head. Oh no. Oh my gosh. How to put it one by one and put a hole in it. So the jumper at the back will hit and the stupid guy with the bucket on his head. Kill him! The pop shrooms is also gonna be back up just in case. I'm gonna remove the pop shrooms on the back. Only at the front. But then like, there's just gonna be a huge hole. Forget it. Can there be a speed up button? I just want to finish the game so fast. Oh, 17 minutes. 17 minutes. 17 minutes of recording. Need I need to respond. I need to respond to this guy right there. He said hi, sir. Thank you so much. That's what I'm meaning. That's the meaning of Taisu. Thank you so much. Yeah. Go on, eat it. Guys, can you hear me click? If you guys cannot hear me clicking, then you guys are probably deaf or your volume is out is on zero. Ah, you're make gonna make the clicking closer to the speaker. I think that's how it works. Kill it, kill. Meow, meow. Can you guys finish chewing? You guys are chewing for the last hour. Here at the basement. I'm gonna put a cherry bomb at the bottom because three three gravestones. If you guys if you guys saw earlier, zombies will spawn there at the gravestone. So come on. Cherry bomb at the bottom, baby. Go up. Now that's those were all coneheads. Those were all coneheads, like seriously. Those were all all of those all of those zombies that spawned on those three three graves were coneheads. Not gonna lie. Yo, it only eats one zombie at a time. So grandpa will be dead by another one. No, 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 stop. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. I'm gonna wait until they finish chewing. Do they finish chewing even though I'm about to unlock something? Oh, they finish chewing. Come on, guys, finish chewing. You guys are you guys are slower than me. I'm gonna grab a glass of water, guys. Just wait. Yeah, I drank a glass of water now. I'm hydrated now, but my voice is still tired. Come on, boys, be energetic. Okay, my voice is energetic now. Okay. Bathroom, bathroom. That's gonna be bathroom. Fumes room. It farts. Fumes room. Shoots fumes that can pass through screen doors. What do you mean screen doors? What? What do you mean screen doors? Hey, I found my car key. You have a driver's license? You know that? You know what? You know what that means? You're gonna go outside of the state. Crazy Dave Squiddy Dinkies is open for business. You have a shop? Here, take my key so I don't lose it again. Man, I'm gonna give it to the zombies, man. How do you have a driver's license when you literally have a pot on your head? You got here just in time for a great news. Every everything you say is horrible news. I finally found a bunch of new games some neighbors asked me for. You have neighbors? What do you mean neighbors? Your neighbors are zombies because oh my gosh. Why didn't I know they were in my car all along? Because you locked your car. You lost your car. What? You lost your car keys. Because I'm crazy. We all know. Go ahead and check out the brand new game section in my shop. I don't want to I don't want to play I don't want to buy a game from you. Here, I'll give you some coins so you can buy one for me. Me? You already have one. Anyways, some botany. Who's Dr. Sambas? Dr. Sambas has been carrying out mad experiments on the zombies. They have they have grown plants on their shoulders. Okay. Don't let them beat you at their own game. Can can I can I just play the game? Can I? Oh, not mini games. Right up. Your alley. Start your zombie crushing adventure with somebody now. You wanna split? It actually sounds fun. Never mind. No. Just, just give it a try. Glad I have potato man. What's your, what's your game you're going to do? You have 3 attempts to play the game as speaker, please. Okay, I finally have a speed thing, but I can only use it for three. Yeah, three tries. I can only use it for 3 tries. Three use it. Yo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! 1v1. 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 Come on. 1v1. I'm gonna play for a bit until I just killed the P zombie and there's another one. Okay, I'm gonna play the actual games and not mini games. Level 3. Why are you here again? It will cost you 750 coins, but you will have you will be able to choose 7 seeds per level instead of 6. I thought I thought I thought I thought it was pop. Yeah, of course, man. Yeah. All right, and hey, when you save up for 5,000 coins, I'll sell you the 8 seed slot upgrade. Why am I saying it like it's... Oh, check you later. When we check you later, do not check me. I don't want to get checked by you. I want to get checked by a doctor because I'm sick of you. What? Okay, yeah, P shooter because of last round I need to use chopper. 2 lanes. Gary Peter. No, I don't want to put the C. Because, you know why I said C? Because the last video when I played day mode, I switched Snow P's name to C and P Shooter's name to P and Repeater's name to Ink Free. But now I'm just gonna see it like I'm just gonna see the real names because I always forget it. Hey, why is there a door? Why this broski has a door? Oh, I actually forgot. Yes, wait. You guys still remember that when the zombie dropped a present earlier and it says you can play what the yeah, but it's just a present so but I think I unlocked something because why did the present just drop randomly? Like that is unrealistic. It has to be it has to be it it had it has to be a meaning that I unlocked something. Okay, I just unlocked patch room right there, the safety pub sun. I'm gonna save up for a patch room. And the zombie at the top is my experiment. Bam. Patch room on the way. Oh, it's actually pat. It's actually pat. Patty! They said it passed through screen doors. So where's the screen doors? I don't see anything. Two lanes of bathrooms. I'm putting bathrooms because that's the only thing I can afford for now. And sunroom and potato mine, potato mine, horrors, haters. Why does it only have the final wave? I won't get the, I won't get do the that. What? Bruh. Bruh. Can you guys give me some sun? 15 sun or 25 sun is okay. Put another platform for support. Bam, bam. Can need hit right there. Hey, hey. Where's the pubes? I mean, where's the screen door? Where's the screen door? Oh, that's the screen door. That's the screen door. I think the screen door wants. I think the zombie wants to give me a screen door. Do not kill them, guys. Do not kill them. I said do not kill them. You guys are stupid. Stupid. My door is broken anyway because of Crazy Dave. He broke it. Do not focus on the pop shroom. Just focus to finishing the fume shrooms as right time as after I put another pop shroom. Need to put some further plate. I'm gonna finish this with no sun. Seriously. And I also forgot two there's there's a 2 times speed and 3 times. Doesn't matter. Just speeds up the game. Why do I have 3 tries of the speed up game? Like what is the purpose? If you only want the player to try to 4 tries. What? Yes. Oh, no. Yes. Ghostbusters. Oh my gosh. Did I just predicted the name? I think. Rebus. So close, but so far. Planted on the grave to remove the grave. That's gotta be my favorite clan. Thank you, game. Okay, the javelin is back. I'm glad the stupid guy with the bacchanal's head is gone. Thank God. Alright, I'm not gonna use sunflower because flower is stupid in this game. In this section, the night section. It's so stupid. So stupid, yes. Like, seriously. It's yeah, that's cute. No, no, no. Pea shooter. Pea shooter, iba. Some things go around. Cherry bomb, yeah, for explosive. Boom, boom. And, potato. Potato. If, if I only have 25 sun. Just enough to buy the sunshroom, but okay. I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna lay down because standing, because sitting while playing this game is not enough. I need to get comfortable. Oh, di ba kayo na They're making the rounds harder now. 2 waves? What are you? That's a scam. Na 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 na. But gonna save until 75 to, to not waste the small sun. Small sun is perfect. We just need time so we can produce it. So produce? Oh, yeah, I'm basically tired because my boss is tired day. Super tired. Tired? Kill that stupid! I'm gonna use Grave Buster. Because look at that, so many grapes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so many grapes. Oh my gosh. Alright. If I have sound like it's just just pop shrooms and fume shrooms. That and the sun shroom just popping out sun. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say, okay? I don't know what to say. I don't have I could have put a walnut, but I don't have a walnut. One kill him. Kill him. No, I just wasted so much. Just wasted so much. Laying down while playing this game is basically making me lazy. Not focusing on anything, but I need to win. I need to win while laying down. I cannot win when I'm not laying down. It it doesn't make me comfortable when I'm sitting. La 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 la. La. Why did I put the sunroom there? Just wasted money. La 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 la. No, no, don't eat him, no. Take that. Come on. I need to replace the pumpkin right there. Because I need to replace it. Its health is low, very low. I need to retire that pumpkin. But I already retired it. So, so, so. Okay, one more puncture and I will put a gravestone. What? A gravestone? Gravebuster. Guys, just remember that I'm not even to level 10. Not even close to a mini game. I have been recording for 39 minutes. Half of the time was just me talking and pausing the game. And I'm talking to Crazy Dave and his shop, Twinkie Dinkies. Did I even put a Gravebuster? I think of dementia. Okay, remove all the gravestones. Is it just me or the pop rooms are off center? Am I seeing it right here? I think it's off centered. I think it's up centered. Yeah. Gotta use the cherry bomb when final wave. Yeah. Final wave. Final wave. Wait, I think last video was 38 minutes and 30, 33 seconds. This is 41 minutes. What the hell? And guys, check out my new playlist. It's called PVC. It's called PVC. Yes. Just go to my channel and click playlists, and you will see and try to and scroll until you see PVC, aka Plants vs Zombies. It's called BBC. Yeah, we're like Plants vs Zombies, also known as PVZ. We're like Plants vs. Okay, just not gonna talk. The first time Javelin is here, okay? Javelin came late. Javelin came late. Oh no, mom. Ow! Oh no, another Javelin. I gotta put another pop through. Okay, the Pepsi mom was dead on the bottom right there, but I'm get ready, get ready. Oh my gosh, 1,000 sun. Okay, there's no gravestones, finally. Wait, why did I say finally? I was the one that removed them. Why did that jump? Right there is gonna jump, oh my gosh. Come on, kill her. Come on, come on. Yes, thank God. Yeah, don't kill him first. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. I want to save until 1,000 sun, bro. The server, bro. Alright. Can I plant that? Keeps track of all plants and zombies you encounter. View almanac. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, sure. We have exactly 14 plants for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's just 12. Yeah, 12, 12, 12, 12. Oh, they have a description. How can a single plant grow and shoot so many plants so quickly? Pea shooter says hard work, commitment, and a healthy, well balance of sunlight and high fiber carbon dioxide make it all possible. Recharge cost 100. 100, yeah. I'm gonna break the game. I'm trying to break the game, but it doesn't let me to. Hmm, a mini game. I will play a game called Waka Zombies. No, it's just like hunting squirrels. What is a squirrel? You know that furry little rodents that dig holes in the land? That's called that is called the moles, they're not squirrels. Yeah, just like that. But instead of squirrels, it's zombies. I said it's called mole. Or it's just another English word that I don't know. And instead of a shovel, it's a mallet. Why you holding it like you begging for me for money? And instead of me, it's you. Of course, it's a mini game. It's always me that does it. Pow, 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 pow. Ay, basta. Only gray buster, no cherry bomb or potatoes. Okay, why am I humming right now? Why am I humming when the game is intense? I need to I need to I need to have fast reaction time. Like guacamole. And it's waka zombies. So Pow, 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 pow. I didn't put any green busters. Oh, goddamn! Terrible! Terrible! I tried to hold something. I tried to hold some. I I tried to hold something, but I immediately dropped it because bro, the zombies. Oh my gosh! Recording, recording. 50 minutes. Yes, 50. 50. I didn't even finish level 6. Okay, guys. I'm tired of recording, so I'm gonna do a part 2 of Night Mode.